recording this because this could be the last thing I'll ever say. The city I once knew as home is teetering on the edge of radioactive oblivion. A 300,000 degree baptism by nuclear fire. I'm not sorry. We had it coming. A surge of white-hot atonement will be our wake-up call. Hope for our future is now a stillborn dream. The bombs begin to fall and I'm rushing to meet my love. Please remember me. There is no more.
We own the sky. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beach Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market. It is 5:50 a.m. It is a Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Did we get the bounce? Was it the bounce? Was it the bottom? I don't know. But I do like what I'm seeing. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, fear and greed has ticked up 2 spots today. So we started off at 49 on Monday, moved down to 44 yesterday. Now we're up to 46. The market is getting a little bit of relief. What's our top gainer on the 24-hour? Not coin. Then we have Le Pepe Le Mime sitting at a 7.5%. How are you guys doing? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Blackie Chan. Good morning, Justin Eubanks. Good morning, Tony Soprano. Morning good, says Tony Soprano. Morning good. That's what MG is, right? Morning good. Oh, man. Yeah, it's Wednesday. We're halfway through the work week, guys. So, yeah. Kind of just want to go ahead and get into these here charts. Let's take a look. So this is what I am thinking and what I'm hoping for. Didn't come up as high as I was thinking we would. Thought we would come up to this high right here, but hey, it's not necessary. We can still get this pull back. I mean, still same thought process as getting this pull back, taking out these lows right here that are building up. Sometimes I forget I need to make this a little bigger so everybody can see it. So all these lows, I'm just kind of wanting to see a quick drop, and then a stable out, and then a move back to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. And then we let's zoom out real quick. Let's go to the. Is it good on the 4-hour? Yeah. So this looks to me like we had some nice zigzag correction at 333. ABC, 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 1, 2, 3. And that's just part of a bigger bull pennant that will break out and take us to 90K or higher. Big time mindset was going on. Big time mindset with the pink hands. Is big time mindset L. Jones? Pull back to the 786 and a bounce. I like it. Definitely like it. Anything below a 50% retracement, I think is good quality. So let's move this down to the high now, because this is going to be our 50% retracement below $60,413 per the Blowfin chart. Let's pick another. Let's go to the Coinbase. Is this the Coinbase? No. Man, what's going on, guys? I just want you guys to know that you're awesome and I love you, and I think I really appreciate you guys for being here, showing up for me every single day. It's awesome. It's really awesome, especially if you're getting up at a really early time with me. If you're across the pond, and this is like early morning, not like, or let's say it's late morning for you, I think is what it is. It's either late morning or early afternoon for you. I mean, I do appreciate you being here. I'm just saying, special shout out to those that wake up early for the grind as well. And if you woke up early for the grind across the pond, shout out to you too. If this is early for you, even if you're on the other side of the world, I appreciate you. Yeah. So yeah, that's 60,450 level. Below that is what I'm looking at. A lot of times, so I have this line, I have this dash line right here. And it's just basically, I think I did move that, I believe, for the value area low. So pull that in here. Maybe I didn't. Okay. This little volume node right here. Let's do this whole move right here, and let's see what we get. Look. This is where it is up here. This is where the volume is. Let's draw in this. All right, so there, we're at our value area low there. We came up to that. So this is what we reacted to, so I'm going to use this one. We do have a higher node down here at 59,182. We have this one at 60,000. I don't know that we dip back below 60K. I mean, it's possible, of course. But if we do, I'll be looking for the signs for me to go long. Hola, French toaster says, sup, my peeps. Oh, and yes, that a new age synthwave song, Blackie Chan. So a modern synthwave. Because if you didn't know, the synthwave had a comeback for a little while. For a little while. Look at that. Could not get above that value area low. So that means we're just going to go more downside, right? Maybe. Or maybe not. Let's come back over here and take a look at the Velo chart. Something I noticed last night. Excuse me. That for the past 2 weeks, as we were pulling down in our price, our open interest has been staying pretty flat. Interesting. Even with these quick moves down, yeah. Here, and here, and here, and here. What our open interest has been falling just a tad, which makes me believe that the longs aren't really there. There's not a whole lot of longs in the market. It's a lot of shorts. There's a lot of shorts. And we have all these highs. All these highs that could be taken out. All this liquidity resting above us. Billions of dollars. Do y'all know what MOASS is? Mother of all short squeezes. For those that do not know, this dip that we had the other day, we had Monday, was the biggest long liquidation that we have seen since this. Yeah? So, it may not have felt like it, but some longs got liquidated and closed out here, okay? A lot of them. I'm just saying, be prepared, be ready, don't let it catch you off guard, right? So, yeah, just be good. BC cast looking good. Isn't a pullback to 786 more of a continuation in 618 for a reversal? I don't. I would say the deeper you go, um, the less likely of a reversal. But that's just me. That's why I'm just I don't really care. I was talking about the fib retracement from 56K to 71K. Ah. Go back to the charts. Let's take a look. So yeah, we have all these highs that I'm looking to be taken out. Um so yeah, POC right up here, right around 69.5. And we can get up there pretty quick. Pretty quick. So just be prepared. Be prepared. Things can move. I expect things to be moving rather quickly. Once we get moving here, I do think things will start to move rather quickly as our trajectory just gets steeper and steeper. Just keep on keeping on. Expansion, 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 expansion. Let's go. Let's go. Who's ready? Oh, all right. Oh, let's see. Crypto heat map. Who's performing? Toncoin up 51%. My God. Ondo up 42%. We were talking about Ondo. What is this? Hold on. This is 3 months. Okay. I was about to say. This is a little crazy going on over here. All right. Where did this brown come from? Is this how it's always been? Nothing too crazy. Let's take out the zeros. Top performers. Meh. AVAX is blue. That's good. Ethereum no. I was like, Ethereum Classic's up 23. No, it's 0.59. AGIX. So we're trying to find what is doing well right now. What is this? This is Ator. We're trying to see what sector is kind of doing well right now. I've noticed a lot of AI. A lot of AI. CVX, something I've been talking about. AIOZ. GRT is one that I'm definitely watching. GRT. I think Matic is one that I'm watching as well. Not I think, I know. Everything's my what? Everything's my shade today. Anyway, everything is Blackie Chan's shade, is what he says. That's what he said. Not me. I didn't say it. He said it. I just, reiterated what he said. We've got Bitcoin dominance picking back up a little bit. I suspect that Bitcoin dominance is going to start exploding. Maybe not exploding, but we're going to get another move up to the upside for the Bitcoin dominance. A lot of alts will start going pretty heavily with Bitcoin. But I would be careful with alts that have already been running pretty hard. I would be careful with those because well, first of all, you got to think about how many X's can they have left in them if they've already been running really hard. Secondly, we've got to think about popularity of coins, sentiment of coins, what's going on with them. Do the whole DYOR, right? Do your own research, do your own due diligence. You've can't just hop into anything and everything. You can, but you shouldn't. You shouldn't do that. You should not do that. I'm looking at you, Tony. No. Looking at you, French toaster. Blackie Chan, Justin Eubanks. Looking at you guys, all of you. You freaking degens. Just jumping into everything. Well, maybe not Blackie Chan. I did also notice last night, I was on the Bitcoin chart. Let me see. Not this one. On the ocean chart. Where's the Bitcoin? I had Bitcoin on here. So ocean is something that caught my eye last night as I was perusing through the charts, because it is looking like what I'm wanting to see out of Bitcoin. You've got that initial bounce, you got the pullback, and then a continuation. So this is what I'm wanting to see out of Bitcoin. Now, what's fun about this one is that if I throw on the Bitcoin, is that this one actually bottomed a week ago. Like last Tuesday is when this one bottomed. So it's been working on its stuff before Bitcoin's even finished its stuff. I'm not saying that this is an opportunity, but maybe. Maybe. But this is something where, you see the big run up and then you see the big correction. This may just go into a retrace, which I do think a lot of alts are going to just be seeing a retrace, possibly to the 50%. Maybe it starts to get up into anything higher than that. Anything higher than that, I'm not, it's something that I would probably start getting out of if it's like all the way down here like this. And if I go over to like the IOS network, it's kind of the same thing. Go over to, let me find Filecoin. See, this one's dipped really low, almost down to the bear market lows, sitting at the bear market highs. But this one has also gotten a little bit of a bounce. Doesn't look as strong. Filecoin is definitely one that I've been in for quite some time. This looks like it could come lower, whatever this is, this prime. Possible. So yeah, we've already lost the POC. So this thing might come down here to $6.69. $6.69. Zoom out a little more on our fixed range volume profile, and well, there's a little something building up here. 696. Oh, see if it drops down to 669, then it's probably just gonna fall straight down to the top of this. Well, I guess to the POC, to 328. Yeah, I don't know about this prime. Probably sit out on that one. Goldfinch is something some friends of mine I know are into. So just wanted to put this one on because some of my friends, if they're into it, I kind of like to follow the stuff that they're into, because I have friends that know what they're doing, that have been in this space for quite some time. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. I mean, I know what I was trying to do, but I failed. I need to double click this and just change this from placement from right to left, because that's what I was trying to do, so I could see better. Now this Goldfinch AI or GFI, just keep this one on the old radar. This could come down a little lower, but it's already done a nice little breakout here. Could come up to this value area low and then up to the POC. But you see how, this thing's just ran really hard. Bottom, crashed, retrace, come down, done. Ondo. this was what I was thinking at some point. I don't know when, but this is what I was thinking at some point. Was this Monday? I think it was Monday. It did not want to. It did not want to follow Bitcoin. Well, I guess it bottomed with Bitcoin. It's come up a little more than Bitcoin has. But this is what I was expecting out of Ondo. But it seems to be holding up pretty well. We'll have to wait and see how that one plays out. Everything is a wait and see game over at Lunar Beaches Crypto, right? It's probably the number one thing that I say is wait and see. I noticed that. Cody. It's another one that I like. Need to get this Bitcoin off here. There we go. CSPR made a new all-time low. Did it really? I haven't even looked at Casper. I don't know how to do research. I just throw money at things and make magic happen. Hey, man. That's magical Blackie Chan. Casper. Let's go to Casper. CSPR, USDT, OKX, maybe? Oh, Lord. New low. I think I got rugged. Oh my God. Oh boy. Oh boy. Casper making new lows. XRP community getting fleeced. For sure, for sure. LPT, live peer token. How are you looking? God awful. Getting a little bit of a bounce. Let's go to the total. And it is like so quiet in my house. It's weird. It's been super hot this week outside, working outside. I've been drained, bro. Like, I've been absolutely drained. That's why I've like hardly been talking. The past few weeks have been a little brutal at the fiat mine. Not just, weather, but other stuff, just, big changes going on and all that stuff. Me stepping into more of a leadership role and all that. So, yeah, it's been a little chaotic to say the least. But yeah, our total 3 is looking good. Did get the spring, or the bounce anyway, off. Did create that new low. That's what we were looking for. So now we're just looking for us to continue higher from here. Put in that sign of strength at the highs, and then continue. Altcoins galore. But it is still, for now, the Bitcoin show. It will drag some alts with it, for sure. For sure. It'll drag some alts with it. But what I would be cautious of is, let's just say this does happen, okay? Let's just say it does break out, okay? And we do have some altcoins going with it. Let's do this more time. Altcoins going with it. Bitcoin just does a simple correction. Altcoins, some of them, hit new lows. New local lows. So I would just be very careful of that. But it's in this retracement. I believe it is in this retracement that I'll be looking to jump into altcoins. If the altcoins are where I think they will be at this time. It's possible. Yeah, no. I think that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm looking at right there. Good morning, Raquinos. Good morning, my friend. Always improving, learning, dishing out new stuff, making me proud of them every day. Absolutely love to see it. killing the paper trade game with that market structure shift. That's what I'm talking about. BC Port Corp. Look who showed up. Haven't seen you in so long. It's funny. Anyway, so yeah, I'm thinking that our next move will at least take us to 90K plus. If we just do a measured move from this high to this low right here, this is the flagpole of the pennant in here. We can go play the conservative route, start from the bottom, go to the top here. It's about 93.5. If we go from the breakout, then we're looking at about 106. Now, I have been saying that I think that the next leg up is what takes us to 100K. So I'm going to lean more towards this one. But I would say that 93.5 is definitely going to be one to watch because everybody thinks we're going to 100K. So when everybody thinks one thing, I kind of start thinking the opposite. That's one of the reasons why everybody thinking that there's going to be one more dip is why I think that there probably won't be. And an hour after I get off of here, it'll probably dump and go set a new low. Knowing my luck. No. I don't have terrible luck. I have okay luck. Now this is a 382. A bounce off of 382 is a pretty strong bounce. There we go. Okay, so there's our 382 right there. 0236. 0236. Okay, so we've lost the 236, come down 382. I think it's just going to keep going down. We do have a fair value gap right here. Bang. So definitely keeping my eye on that level. It's right between 69.6 and 69.949. 659,950 basically. So I'm just watching that. I would keep my eyes on that. I don't know if we'll go that low, but it would make sense for us to come down to this level for sure. So it wouldn't be anything out of the ordinary. I think I kind of want this to be a little bit more of a sudden drop because I want people, I'd rather people not get scared, but people are going to get scared. The market will get scared into just out of their lungs, into shorts, just more liquidity, and then it'll end up going back in their side, in their favor. And yeah, so this is what I'm looking at. Whatever this pullback ends up being in here, I don't know that I'll go long here, but once we come back up and we crack this high, I will definitely be looking for longs. Once we do that, it's gonna flip. It's gonna flip to where I'm just looking for longs for days on end. I don't even know how many days, but that's what I'll be looking for and adding to my winning trades. So yeah, Southwest Airlines stock slides 10% after company cuts revenue guidance. I don't even know how we still have airlines. These things, they make no money. They get sued. It's just, I don't know. The airline business is it's so sketch that I almost don't even want to fly because I feel like I definitely don't know if I want to fly in a Boeing aircraft. Man, they've had some terrible PR. Understandably so. Understandably so. It has not been good for them. Don't. Yeah. Need to be safe. Mining stocks, Hut at 16%. Jeez. What's making you so expensive? Google, Tesla. Ooh, Tesla. Okay. Tesla's been on the move, it looks like, recently. Nice little triangle here. See, session, extended trading hours. Let's see what it looks like when I do regular trading hours. There we go. All right, so I can do this. Stocks are so easy, I swear. How do people lose money in stocks? How do people? Well, people lose money in crypto because it's Wild Wild West over here. See, I don't know. Yeah, this is looking like it's getting close to a possible breakout. Fixed range volume profile. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Tesla looking kind of bullish. Nah. Nah. No. 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 No, 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 no. I don't want any of that. Let's go over to the non-market cipher A, see what that's looking like. How are we? I really just use this for the EMAs, I swear. Julian Assange received just over 8 Bitcoins in anonymous donation to cover his debt. He also received or had like 11 ETH. So, I don't know. Personally, don't really care for Julian Assange. He's a traitor. Not a traitor, I guess. I don't know that he was ever a U.S. citizen. But he did expose national security secrets. So, as an American, I can't do it. I don't like it. He literally exposed places that put our soldiers in bad positions. So, in life-threatening situations. So, whatever. I am a patriot, unlike all the other fake patriots out there. I love my country. And you said why? And I said, because I am free. This is almost what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. Was looking for anyway. Bounce, pull up, chill out, get going. It's kind of what I'm looking for. I'll be looking for that on Tesla as well, especially getting up here to this high volume node. Be watching this level here pretty strong at about $235, $230. Yeah, I think we could see it get up there. The first level would be this one right here at about $207. If we can get above this right here at about 220, we can come moving up to this next side. So the fixed range volume profile is, it's showing you where the volume is. Okay. And these little gaps in between is where you usually tend to find yourself chopping about in, because you're trying to fill the void. Trying to fill it up with more volume. So that's what I'd be looking at on Le Tesla. And I know what you're thinking. Hey, I thought this was a crypto channel. It is, for the most part. It's a lot of a trading channel. He's Australian, I think. That's right. He is Australian. He is Australian. Yeah. All right. So yeah, altcoins looking good. Bitcoin's looking good. Probably maybe more chop today. Maybe some. That's what I'm kind of leaning towards, is some chop coming down here. hopefully come down here, maybe chill out for a little while. Well, not like that. Come down here, chill out for a little while, and then continue. Up, up, and away. That's what I would like to see. I would take a straight line up like that. That would work. I mean, this is the structure that I'm looking for. And why? Because that just gives me my higher low, and that would give me higher highs. And what does that mean? That means we have a change in our trend. We have flipped from bearish to bullish. So that's why that is what I'm looking for and what I want to see. So, yeah. Oh, God. I slept in a weird position because my back is killing me. Oh, excuse me. That green line looks like the safe market structure shift. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for, is that MSS. MSS that leads to the MOASS. MSS that leads to the MOA. MOSS. MOASS. There we go. Higher time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. See, no, it's not gonna be on the 4 hour, is it? 3 hour. Okay, so 3 hour. We did take this high. And we do have this fair value gap right here. Right at that 50. So that's interesting. Definitely just going to be like this area is where I want to go long from. Maybe. I will say yes. I will probably end up doing it. We get below that 50. I look for a drop down to a smaller time frame. I'll look for the market structure shift on a smaller time frame. I just drop my stop loss down below this low and then just ride the wave. Ride the wave to the upside. That's what I will do. That's what I will do. Got these equal highs up here. I think we'll go up there for sure. I think we'll go even higher than that. So, yeah. Start of something new. The bounce, a sight for sore eyes. We do like seeing the bounce in here. The open interest that is staying flat. Good morning, all set. Good morning. So, yeah. Yep, I don't see us going lower, like below this low. If we do, I think we're in a little bit of trouble. But we'll see. We don't have to be, but I wouldn't like it. I wouldn't like it at all. And we need the market to kind of turn around before people just completely check out. Because if people completely check out, it's done. Okay? So, Anthony Soprano. Wave. All right, guys. I got about 10 minutes before I got to leave for work. So, I appreciate each and every single. There's a little bit of chill today. Tomorrow it should be a little more fun because I think we'll be getting close to having some answers. But also tomorrow we have final GDP quarter over quarter. So yeah, I'm just trying to stay a little chill today, so you guys stay chill, okay? So yeah, just saying. Tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. GDP quarter over quarter coming out. We also have unemployment claims coming out at the exact same time. So hopefully that'll give us a catalyst that will boost price and give us our full-on reversal, like where it's kind of clear, breaking this high right here, 62,480. It's kind of clear that, Alexandra G, what's going on? You just been sitting in the background? Good morning. Just got to tell you personal good morning to Alexandra G, the mod queen in the house. So yeah. Just be looking for it. Just look for it. Look for it. Gave you the blueprints. Just look for it, okay? May the force be with you, my friend. Have a great day. Have a great day as well, my friend. Do or do not.
Do or do not. There is no try.
Nerds-ish. Anyways, love you guys very much. I gotta get going. Hope you all have an amazing day. Appreciate every single one of you. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out and help boost me up in the YouTube algorithms. And yeah, share with some friends or something. I don't know. Sub to the channel if you're new. Love you very much. Look at the waves, soda waves in the chat. So yeah, appreciate every single one of you for being here. And I will see you in the chats. Have a radical day. Ride the waves. Peace out.